Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special offered online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. These are a fan favourite, the Australian 1966 50-cent round. These are 80% silver, 0.3416 of a troy ounce in each coin, so just over a third of an ounce, and they are on special today in bags of 50 for the next 24 hours only. I'll tell you the special in just a second. You can click below on the specific product page to go straight there, but if you want to know more about them, here's the deal. In 1966, we moved over to decimal currency in 1966, and so for the first year of decimal currency, these were produced, and they're 80% silver, as I said. But in the late 60s, what happened is the value of silver became more than the face value of this coin. So they, 0.3416 for troy ounce of silver was worth more than 50 cents. So they very quickly had to abandon these 80% silver coins. So it wasn't until 1969 that they started producing the next 50-cent coin, and that was a dodecagonal coin, meaning it had 12 sides. And so Australians are very familiar with the current 50-cent piece. It's still the same design as of right now, but this was the only year that you got round 50-cent coins, and of course 80% silver as well. So these are an absolute fan favorite. I don't know any stacker in Australia who's into silver who does not have 50-cent rounds. So if you don't have any, now's a great opportunity. So that's the deal in terms of what they're all about. Let's take a look. You're getting them in bags of 50. We'll put them in a bag for you. Don't worry about that. They do come in bags. Here's 50 right there, nice and compact. And you will get them in bags of 50. We don't sell them individually, so please don't ask. But bags of 50, and here's the deal. We're giving you $1 off per coin, so $50 off per bag. So $50 off per bag for 50 1966 50-cent rounds. That's a lot of numbers right there. So a great opportunity. Whenever these go on special somewhere, I think it's a good idea to snap up 1 or 2 bags at least. So just lastly, we'll go over it very quickly. Of course, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, a very young depiction of Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth II, may she rest in peace, 1966 right there, and of course the coat of arms of Australia and 50 cents right there. These are such old coins, and they come in varying conditions. Some of these is actually it's not a bad one. Some of them can become, they're old coins, so just bear that in mind. But you're getting them for the silver content. So that's it. Like, share, subscribe. That's this week's special for 24 hours only. Get a purchasing. You know what to do. And as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.